Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel of Shri Rama Bharati Public School. I am here with a new video and today's topic for the discussion is meaning and characteristics of business. It's a topic from chapter 1, 11th Business Studies. Let's start with the introduction part. Under introduction, we will discuss what exactly the meaning of business term. As you can see, that business is a human activity directed towards producing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling of goods and services. So what business actually is, it's a kind of human activity. Means business is carried forward or carried on by human being. Mainly two activities are taking place under business, either production or acquirement or procurement we can say. Production means conversion of raw material into finished goods, and acquirement or procurement means buying ready products for the sale. I repeat, procurement means buying ready products for the sale. Ultimately the goods will be sold out to the customer. There will be no production process under acquirement. Under production, the raw material will be used and it will be converted into finished goods with the help of technology. So business deals either in production or procurement. Then two parties are involved under business, buyer and seller, for transaction purpose. Buyer can be said as purchaser and seller can be said as vendor. Now goods and services will be dealt under business. Goods are the physical commodities, these are tangible in the nature, and services are intangible in the nature. So this is all about business, that we can say business is a kind of human activity under which either production will take place or procurement. All this is done just to earn wealth or profit, or we can say profit earning is the main objective of each businessman. Whenever any investment will be made by entrepreneur or by businessman, then the primary motive would be to earn profit, a good amount of profit. Fine, that's why it is written that production or acquiring wealth through buying and selling of goods and services. I hope it is clear now. Let's start with the characteristics, or we can say features of business. Very first point is it's an economic activity. Business is a kind of economic activity, means it is done or it is carried on just to earn an amount of money that is named as profit. So profit earning is the primary objective of each businessman. That's why it comes under economic activity. Economic activities are those activities which are done or performed with the intention of earning money. तो बिजनेस में भी जो है मनी अर्न करने का प्राइमरी मोटिव रहता है ऑफ ईच बिजनेसमैन, एंड दैट मनी विल बी अर्नड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रॉफिट. सो वी कैन से यस, बिजनेस इज अ काइंड ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. नाउ सेकेंड वन इज प्रोडक्शन और प्रोक्योरमेंट. It is already explained to you in the introduction part. Production means conversion of raw material into finished goods. Procurement means buying the ready products and then selling to the customer. So these activities takes place under business. Next is profit earning. No doubt the primary motive of each businessman is to earn profit. The investment which is made by the businessman is for earning the profit only. Although there are other secondary objectives also, but profit earning is considered as main objective of a business. Next is dealings on regular basis. This is the point which you need to understand here, that for a business the dealings must be on regular basis. Dealings here means the transaction of buying and selling. If suppose one transaction is done once in a year, so we can't say that it's a business activity. There must be regularity in the transactions or in the dealings. For example, one student is selling the old books to another student, you can say. So we can't say this is a kind of business, because once it is done in a year, when there is no use of books for that student. That's why the student is selling to the another student. These type of transactions can't be considered under business, because there is a characteristic of business that there must be regularity in the transactions. We can add one more example here. Suppose the old furniture is sold out by anyone or by someone because they want to buy the new furniture in their house. This also can't be said as a business transaction. It's not the business of that person. They were having extra and they were thinking to buy a new one. That's why they sold out the old one. It doesn't mean that they are engaged in this kind of business. So simply we can say that there must be regularity in the dealings. Next is satisfaction of human needs. Why business is done? Why activities are performed? Just to satisfy the human needs. Human needs here means the needs of the customer, demands from the customer side. The buying and selling takes place just to satisfy the human needs. If suppose I want to buy something from the market, it means I'm in the need of that product. And the person who is selling that product, the person is engaged in that kind of business. So all this is done just to satisfy the human needs. Now last characteristic of business is uncertainty of return or risk. Yes, risk is an important element of business. There is always risk in business. Means businessmen have to face the risk. Only then the profit can be earned. Risk means possibility of losses. There may be chance of loss in the business, but this risk is an essential element, we can say, of the business, because future is uncertain. Anything can be happen in the future. Risk always exists in the surrounding or in the business, but still businessmen have to take risk if they want to grow their business or they want to expand it in the market, right? This is all about definition and characteristics of business. The remaining topics will be discussed in next video. Thank you.